Hey, I'm Dr. Clements. I'm just finishing session 2 with the Nierman Mini Dental Sleep Residency, and just going to give a couple of thoughts so far. The first session was more informational, laid a lot of the groundwork for sleep, definitely for somebody who is brand new into sleep. So session 2 really got into the clinical portions regarding treatment failure, troubleshooting device delivery. Another one of the strengths of this course that I wasn't expecting initially, but was delighted to be a part of, was practicing sleep physician as well as a practicing ear, nose, and throat doctor coming in, giving us background into their fields. I would certainly recommend this program to anybody interested in sleep, just getting started in sleep, or somebody that has attended previous courses and is either looking for more didactic information or more clinical information of troubleshooting and real-world application of dental sleep medicine. It truly is an all-encompassing course that prepares you from point A to point Z to implement dental sleep.